Hello everyone, I am Nkoa Mvondo Serge. I'm the founder of Colibri, which is a Cameroon-based InsurTech startup. We joined FasterCapital on December last year through their Raise Capital program, and we are currently working with them since then. I must say the FasterCapital's team has been really amazing with your support. We've been receiving feedbacks and constructive comments so as to enhance our materials primarily in terms of quality, our pitch deck, our finance operating model, and our business plans also. Their do-it-yourself approach is quite powerful because not only it empowers, but it fosters responsibilities facing towards achieving the required standard in every aspect in order to face investors with confidence. We are really grateful for this pedagogic experience that instills not only knowledge but also competencies acquisition. Thank you very much.